How to reset your Gmail password. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to show you step by step in order to do so. So whether you have forgotten your password or think your account was hacked, this guide will help you get back safely. So let's get started. First of all, you can head over and open up a browser, and you can just go over to gmail.com from here. And once you are here, you can just go, let's head over to the login page. Instead, you can go to login page of Gmail. And from here, what we can do is we can start by entering up our email address. So in this box, first of all, enter up your email address. Just go over and enter it up. And once you have entered it up, you can click on next and head over to the next page. Now here, if you have forgotten your password, we can click on this option called Forgot Password, and it will provide us with a Google account recovery process. You can enter up your password, you can get a verification code at certain email address, or try another way to sign. You can just go over and select any of the method available. You just need to go over and do so. If you do not have your phone, again, you can click on try another way and go on with the process, and getting verification code, etc., and try another way and go on with the process of resetting your Gmail password. This way you can just go over and do so, and once verified, you will be asked to create up a new password. Make sure that your password is 8 characters long, a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols different from your old password. You can use that method up right there, and your new Gmail account will be created. It will be reset. You can sign in using a new password on all of your devices available. And that's it, everybody. You can follow out this process if you want to reset your Gmail password. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.